does on-premise CMMS traditionally, CMMS differ from the new age ones we hear about? So, this was a business decision to, it used to be when I started in CMMSs a million years ago, you basically would pitch a company and you would sell them or license them a package, and that would pretty much be it. I mean, they paid you maintenance for enhancements and stuff, but it was like one and done. Well, somebody really smart figured out that if you rent them the system, you could tie them up for years and make a lot of money, a lot more money. So that first started to happen, like when you bought a jet engine, you then bought service from GE or Pratt, and you would be, the relationship would be a 25-year relationship. Well, that's happened with a CMMS. In other words, now you can rent the CMMS on the cloud, run it through an internet connection, and it's kind of like it's right there, but you're not dealing with the all the all the problems of running the software yourself. What happens here is that instead of spending $100,000 for a piece of software, you're spending, maybe $1,000 a month, and it's much easier to swallow capital-wise. But from the software company point of view, it gives them a nice even revenue so that they can make good profits. So the new CMMSs, a lot of them are actually kind of the same CMMSs as before, but they're being handled differently. Once you get on the web, you can do some things which are difficult to do otherwise. So you can make them much more, put them on phones, put them on tablets. You could make them much more interactive. You can hook up, augmented reality glasses. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff you can do once you get it off of your server and put it on an internet-based cloud server.